Hello guys, today it's Simon here and we're going to go over sequences and series. So a sequence is basically just a set of numbers that is in a particular order. In the IB we have arithmetic sequences and geometric sequences. And the arithmetic sequence is just a sequence where there's always a number added to make each new term. So here the number 2 is added in every term. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. And in geometric sequences, it's always the number that's multiplied to get the next term. So 3 times 2 is 6, times 2 is 12, and so on. So now, I'm going to define some terms. The first term is U1 of both arithmetic and geometric sequences. U1 is the first term, and the difference between each term, so the number that is added by in each term in an arithmetic sequences, that's called the common difference, and that is D. Now, I'm going to make an expression for any term of it, but first I want to show you some patterns. So this is U1, this is U1 plus D, I hope you can see that. This is U1, the third term is U1 plus D plus D. The fourth term is U1 plus D plus D plus D, so it's U1 plus 3D. And in fact, the nth term is equal to U1 plus n minus 1 D. And hope that makes sense. For geometric sequences, like I said, the first term is U1 here. And the term that it's multiplied by every time, that's called the common ratio. And that's R. R equals common ratio. And I'm also going to write common difference for arithmetic sequences. Common difference. Now, it's very similar to arithmetic sequences, like the formula for the nth term. All you have to do, I'm gonna provide some examples first. So here, that's U1. This is U1 times 2 times R. This is U1 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 2 squared. Fourth term is U1 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's times 2 cubed. So it's really similar. The nth term of a geometric sequence is just U1 times the common ratio to the power of n minus 1. And finally, I'm gonna go over series. And or actually, I'm just gonna explain the sigma notation. So if you wanna say that you have the series of something, you usually do it with sigma notation, and you actually need to know it for the IB because I've seen questions about it. So here, the sum of any sequence is this thing. If you start at first term, write this on the bottom, k equals 1 or I equals 1, but don't write n equals 1 because n is just the nth term. And n you usually write on top, like you write the final term here. And in here beside it, you just put the formula for the nth term, but instead of using n, you use k. So let's say for this arithmetic sequence, I'm gonna express the sum. U1 is 2, and D is also 2. So then the nth term would be 2 plus, instead of n, I'm going to use k minus 1 times 2. And that's sigma notation. And this is actually a really easy chapter because all the formulas you need to know, they're just in the formula booklet. and with them you could solve any problem with sequences and series. So yeah, all the formulas you need with sums and stuff, they're in the formula booklet. And that means all you need to do is practice a bit, and then you got sequences and series. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.